We've been doing projects for 5 years on this house and we're still going at it. Going up to the ceiling. Welcome back to another home renovation video. This one is going to be all about our fireplace in our living room. If you guys have been following along for a while, we did share a living room home renovation video a while back that included our update to these floors, which was 2020. So this year we focused on a new project. I showed Connor some inspiration earlier in the year and I was like, we've always wanted a fireplace, and I saw this really cool design to build one just off of the wall and its electric insert. So I'm gonna take you guys along on the process. Connor did such a good job. It'll be mostly time lapse, but at the end you'll see the full results. And then also I'll have down in the description a link to my blog post, which is kelsiekristine.com. I will have more information, more details on the project, some photos, some before and afters. So stay tuned to the end so you can see the final result, but also don't forget to check out that blog post. So without further ado, let's jump right into this project.
Going down. I'm yelling timber, yelling ginger.
Going up to the ceiling. So the top one is the one I thought we'd love, and the bottom one I thought we would be like meh, and then that one is our old one. Almost done. Just working on one final piece for the front. Fireplace stone is all done. Connor is about to mount this TV now.
I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So here is the man behind the fireplace. He did such a good job. Right now we have the TV right now going and it's a little, there's like a huge reflection, so sorry about that. But I just put on some YouTube art make it look like a frame TV. This mantle is raw wood. It needs to be stained still, but with having a newborn at home right now, we are not going to be staining it probably at least until the spring. But I love the texture of it. It looks so good. We tried a couple different ones and this one is the one that we ultimately chose. Here's what this looks like. It's hard to see. It's not like showing very well in the camera. Maybe I can do a video of it, an overlay, what it looks like at night, but it looks so good. It has different settings. You want to show them the remote? So we have the power button there. We have the timer and then the temperature button. And that's going to turn on the heat there. So just turned the heat on. Okay, then the heat adjustment are these arrows. So this guy up in the top left corner is the flame speed. And then that very middle button that looks like the little fire symbol is to change the actual flame color. So they have different color variations. There's a blue flame. There's a very low orange flame, and then that turned it off. Then this one is like an orange and yellow flame. This one's my favorite, the one before this. This one is like a red and blue flame, and then you can see the heaters going right there. And you can have it without a heater too, which is great. So now we'll show you what it looks like behind there. We recessed the mount a little bit just so that the TV wasn't sticking too far off the wall. Hopefully you guys can see in there. But we have the mount all the way back to the wall and it is secured on the studs, right? Mm-hmm. And then we just have it mounted. And then also over on this side, you want to show them your secret panel? So on this side, we have a door that he built. So we have electrical back in here. Everything's plugged in and all hidden, which is really nice. He did a really good job of that, and then putting the stone around it as well. We have the hearthstone, which is a little bit different than the stone on the back, but I love how it contrasts. It's a very slight contrast, but it's enough that it doesn't look like it's washed out or anything. And the hearthstone was something I had to have. I didn't want a flat front wall. I wanted a seat, a bench, basically. I wanted the mantle and the bench. And I think it turned out really, really good. This looks amazing. You did such a good job, honey.
Thank you.
So that is it for our home renovation video for the fireplace. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and that notification bell so you're notified each time a new video goes live. But if you missed any of our other home renovation videos, we've been doing projects in this house since 2015, so 6+ years. At the beginning of this video, you might have seen that I said 5+ years, but that's because we started the majority of these projects last year in 2020 during quarantine. So thank you so much for watching, and if you guys enjoy any daily vlogs, my husband and I share our lifestyle over on our vlogs as well. We have a whole playlist dedicated to that. So we've done home renovation videos, vlogs, I do lifestyle and fashion videos as well. So be sure you're subscribed, join the YouTube fam, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.